everybody. So this is an episode unlike any episode we've done thus far because we have figured out that we have been traveling, what did we decide, 6 months?
6 months? 7 months.
7 months.
Yeah.
And we have been to 4 different continents. We have been to 15 different countries. And I think we figured out that we've traveled about 40,000 miles. And we also realized that we have done all of this traveling in 1 pair of Keen shoes each. And when Keen found out that we have been traveling just in their shoes, they thought that maybe we would like to have a fresh pair. So they sent us a box of shoes, 1 pair for each of us, and so we thought it would be fun to open the box so that all of you could see what we got. And they picked out shoes for us, so
we don't know what we're getting.
We don't know what we're getting. So we're kind of all excited.
Sit back a little bit.
Open your box.
They're Keens! Did we say Keen sent us some shoes? Alright, so this looks like Eden's box. Let me see.
No, wait, you can tell by the size.
Oh, size, that's true.
Oh, those are
Size
Eden.
1. I grew out of those a long time ago.
Hey,
Should we let her open?
Yep, let's
Alright, go
open
ahead and
them.
let's see yours. Check it out. Oh,
Ooh,
check them out.
pink.
They're kind of pinkish purple pink.
So Eden lives
they're-
in sandals, especially all summer. So these are going to be great. Wow.
Super
Those
cool.
are nice. Okay,
Alright,
I got
let's
a
see.
6.5. Is that yours?
Ooh, these are nice and shiny.
That's
Those-
gonna match all your
They're gonna
things.
match everything.
And that's the shirt you're wearing right now.
And those are waterproof.
Yes.
I think
The
Waterproof shoes.
The waterproof
yes.
feature has been nice. I had this same style. My old ones are the same style, and it's been nice, especially when it rains, because my socks don't get soaked. So
And when you're traveling, you have no option whether you're traveling on a rainy day or a non-rainy day. So you pretty much got to go when you got to go.
Slosh through the rain.
Slosh through the rain. And matter of fact, we're looking at possibly, we're in Slovenia now, and we're looking at a little bit of snow possibility, so that'll be great for the slush.
Yeah.
That's got to be yours.
Were you trying to open up my box, Keith? Do not blow my surprise.
Were those? Yeah.
Ooh, such cool colors.
Wow.
Check it out, blue and purple.
And
Autumn's
again,
and I,
waterproof.
we have similar. Mine are quite a bit bigger though.
Yeah.
But they're waterproof, which makes me so happy.
How do you feel about twinning with your mom?
She loves it.
And yes.
Nice. Oh, they're a cool color.
Yeah. So these are, I like the hiking boot, low cut boots, and that's what they sent me. So it's a little bit different style than this one, but this looks really, really hard. I mean, that's the,
Yeah.
instead of the leather, it has the
Super cool.
protective thing there. And look at the treads.
Nice. All
Our
of us have
treads
really
are
nice
pretty much flat. Yeah.
Yeah, we have walked so many
So
miles
much.
on all kinds of terrain. I mean, we've used our
We've
Keens
climbed
on sand,
Mountains and
and-
sand,
yeah,
Dirt,
rocks,
mud.
dirt,
lava,
red.
Not lava.
cold lava, not hot lava.
That's
What's
true.
that?
So anyway,
Yeah, so anyway, thank you, Keen.
thank you, Keens.
We love our shoes, so
Yes.
we are going to enjoy the remainder of our journey in our new Keens, and we're excited.
Super excited. Thank you so much.
Yeah, so
Thank you.
thanks for watching, and we'll get back to our regular episode next episode.
Yeah.
I was going to say next week, but
Who
anyway,
knows?
who knows?
Right.
But anyway, thanks for watching, guys.
Bye.
See you
Bye.
later.